It's just mind-blowing to see what these storms can do so quickly. We're not used to really ice storms and damage like this.
Certified Oklahoma storm chaser Brandon Alexander says the ice storm that swiftly hit his state was unreal. In fact, his storm chasing vehicle froze over.
It had frozen over, but the main problem was just a sudden amount of icing for the area.
The ice storm showed its massive strength, unexpectedly freezing time as it coated everything in its path, from trees and branches and flowers to power lines.
It's just incredible how it's caked it with also managing to damage it at the same time.
Line workers in Texas and Oklahoma are also making progress in restoring power following this catastrophic storm, with help from thousands of mutual assistance workers from 18 states.
I want to thank all of the electric workers across the United States. They've been doing an amazing job with the hurricanes and the ice storms. Great job, guys. Great job.